All right, YouTube, welcome back. We just got this one in. It's a no start, no crank. So what I'm gonna do is charge the battery up for a little while. It's a little cool out, and see what the problem is, and dive right into it. Follow me. So as I'm doing some inspection, I don't know what this kind of rig up this is. They kind of extended or didn't extend the battery cable, added some type of they didn't extend the battery cable, they added some type of metal. I don't know what this is. I don't know if that's the problem. I'm gonna go into the fuse box now. I'm gonna take all this off so I can access this and figure out how to take this battery out. This is some type of, I don't know what that is either, but you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. I have no room to get the fuse box out because of this cable here for the speakers. So where we at with it? Charge the battery, and the battery is not maintaining power. It just keeps dropping down slowly, so the battery's fried. But when I put it on the bud system, stop using car care cleaner on your three-wheel vehicle. That's why I spent the last year developing a product specifically for your three-wheel vehicle. Whether you have a Can-Am Ryker, Spider, Slingshot, whatever you're riding. Ceramic infused waterless car wash spray. So what you do is, it works for shiny plastic, matte plastic, or even the guys who like to have those nice vinyl wraps on their bikes. It's a protectant, UV protected, shine waterless wash. This way you could just clean off your dirt, wipe it off, put the shine back in. Also, I also added a tire shine, no sling. You're just gonna spray it on, give it a few seconds, and when you ride off, it won't be splashing all over the place. So, if you want to get this kit, which includes your speed coat, tire shine, and a microfiber cloth, hit the link below. I prescribe this shine. Less cleaning, more riding. Click the link below. Order yours today. I was getting this. Too high current reach, ignition, and I was telling you, when I was starting it, I was getting nothing. Possible causes, defective ignition coil. Kind of what I was thinking about what it could be, for the simple fact that I wasn't getting any type of cranking at all. It would just click, click, click. So I'm thinking that too much jumping, and I don't know how he jumped this battery, fried his ignition coil. We're going to order ignition coil, and we'll see. I'll put this battery on the charger overnight. I got a real charger, see if it holds the charge without all the accessories put on it. If it holds the charge, then he won't need one. But right now we do know he needs a ignition coil. So I'll continue the video later after I replace the ignition coil. Show you how to do that. It's actually, well, when the ignition coil comes in, I'll show you exactly where it's at and how to replace it. Okay, when removing your starter coil, make sure your battery is disconnected, because this is all live stuff here. So you're going to move this little cap off, take these two bolts, might be 8mm or 10mm, and the thing is, when you get back here, I don't know if I get the camera back there, but it's just a little push thing. You're going to push down and you actually twist it out. So it's being held. You could just turn it clockwise and it'll come right out. Once you have it out, there'll be a little clip that you can unclip the wires from. Real easy, 1, 2, 3, put it back in, then reconnect your battery. disconnect your battery. Do not have your battery connected when you do this. You could touch two pieces of metal, boom, you get a shock. Just pulled this old one out. Check it out. Now we're going to replace it with the new one. Like I said, it's not even bolted in. It's just in there and it snaps. These two holes might be for another Can-Am vehicle because it's like a universal part to the Sea-Doo and Ski-Doo. See the part number? So let's put it. All right, all done. Bike started. Just waiting for the customer to pick up the bike. I had to disconnect the audio system for some reason. It just kept shorting itself out. Don't know. I didn't install the audio. Could have been something, I don't know, grounding, whatever. So as long as it's disconnected, starter coil works fine. Bike starts up. Waiting for the customer to pick up the bike. Like, subscribe, and follow. Mad Ryker tips, spider tips, all types of maintenance, general repairs, podcasts, all that cool stuff. New stuff coming. And as always, ride safe, ride safe.